How to create Stripe email invoice. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to create a Stripe email invoice into your Stripe account. The process is very easy and very standard. So you are going simply to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over stripe.com. Then you are going to sign in for an account. So here, if you are not familiar with Stripe, you are going to provide them with a financial and also business information for your account to be eligible to have this account. In my case, I have a test account, and that test account could be acquired whenever you are going to put some information and some information are going to miss. So here, as you can see, we are on the dashboard of our Stripe account. Now, what are we going to do is to click on the create option at the top, as you can see, or the right side top corner of the header. Or we can go ahead and head here for the shortcuts. We can see here invoices. We are going to select invoice. Then we are going to create and send invoices in just minutes. These invoices could be and should be sent with emails. Or I'm going to click on create invoice, and then we are going to see the templates. So we are going to set up or start by putting the customer information, the currency, the item that we are going to send the invoice for, and also the payment collection. Either it is going to be a request payment for one only time or auto charge as a recurrent payment for the customer. You can add some branding here. You can change how your invoice email, received, and page look. As you can see for branding, this is a standard invoice. And also you can add some additional options like templates, a memo, a footer, and also tax ID and custom fields. You can also see the PDF size page whenever you are going to finish the invoice. Here you can see that we are going to have the email. This is the invoice PDF if you are going to send it as a PDF, a email, and also a payment page. So you can see here that we can send the invoice as 3 formats. Now, let's skip the tour here and set up the email or the customer information. So if you do not have a customer yet, you can go ahead and click on add customer, and then you are going to put a name for that, for example, and the email address for that customer is going to be something like jack@gmail, for example, like that, gmail.com, just like this, and the language that Jack speaks. For example, you can go ahead and save that. The currency is going to be also added here. You can select the currency that you want the invoice to be. The item, for example, you are going to add a item line. For example, here you can go ahead and mention an item, for example, service, like that, of design, for example, and then the quantity and the price of it, for example, 102 and 20. For example, you can add some item to product catalog, and then you can add the taxes and the item coupons if you have, and if it is going to be discountable or not. So we are going to save here the item information, or the let's say the service information. And then for the payment collection, you can go ahead and put a request payment or schedule another payment or auto charge the customer. So you are going to put here the card number of the customer, of course, after you have got the permission of them to put it. So they are going to give you a virtual card that they are going to, let's say here, trust you with. So you are going to put the information of them, and each time of the month, or you are going to charge a payment, you are going to get it from that card. This is going to be here very confidential, and do not share these client or customer information. So for the deliver, you are going to choose email invoice to customer, or do not. Obviously, we are going to email it. You can include the link to online payment page, which is going to be the checkout page. For the branding settings, you can go ahead and modify everything from here for the checkout, payment links, the email receipts, custom portal, and etc. You can add a memo, for example, a footer, and etc. to the invoice. And then you are going to click on send invoice, and it will send it right away. Basically, you are going to see the preview. You're going to activate your payment on the Stripe account, of course, since I haven't activated it yet. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next